Alright guys, today we're out here on public land squirrel hunting for some big fat-headed fox squirrels. Today we'll be hunting with a Remington 1100 shotguns. I have a 20 gauge, Trey's hunting with a 16 gauge. And this is a pretty good piece of public down here. And we're expecting to get on quite a few squirrels, but we'll just have to see what happens. So yeah, let's get after it. Shoot him. Got him. I got that on video too, hell yeah. Watch for another one. There's one right here. What? No. Damn it. Here's the second one, a big fat gray squirrel.
Oh, here, hold this guy.
We've lost that water 2 times in a row. Shoot him. You got him. Hell yeah, it's number 3. There's another one. Nice flopping the leaves up there. Go up and get that boy. Headshot City. It's number 3 for Trey.
There's a squirrel over here too.
Yeah, I know it ran that way. I wasn't shooting, it went that way.
Better get over here. He might still be alive.
Watch that tree. Here's number 5 when I shot on this log. Number 4. We're gonna have a whole stringer full of squirrels, boys. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Well, I'm gonna get back there and get the other one. Maybe shoot one on the way out. There's another one up there. All right, well, Trey's got 4 and I've got 3 right here, and I got 1 laying down there and 1 laying a bit farther down that way. I've seen so many squirrels out through here. I'm sure I'll see in the video, but yeah.
Let me tell you something. Up here on this big flat, I bet I seen, I know I counted 7, but there's probably about 10 scrapes. This big, fresh.
I jumped a big doe down here when I was shooting at these squirrels when you were back there.
Alright guys, well, that'll probably do it for this video. We ended up with 9 squirrels, about 3 short of a limit, but yeah, we didn't get into many fox squirrels today. Didn't really see any. Usually during the rifle season, they're everywhere up in this little river bottom. But next weekend, we'll be back here at the same place, and we're gonna try to get one of my good friends his first deer, and my little brother probably also tag along. So Stay tuned for the next videos. Like and subscribe. Appreciate it.